Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add custom tabs on Shopify product pages. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So before you modify your tabs on product pages, make sure that your products are already added and you have your different type of variations added. Then you're gonna head over to your online store and add your pages related to your products. So you can see I have product page already created. If I can show you, so just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. You can see we have different pages incorporated here, and if I simply head over to my online store, you will be able to see that we can modify each and every page. We have products in here, and that's how you can easily add your tabs and menus from the top. I hope this was helpful and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.